Welcome back, guys, and this is episode 17 of Technoventures, and today we'll be unboxing 3 products that are left from our Gundam and Asus collaboration. We'll be unboxing our Gundam Tumbler, our Gundam Mousepad, and of course our Gundam t-shirt from the Asus and Gundam collaboration. So first up, let's start with our t-shirt. So these guys bought the set. Ooh.
Hey, bro. What? Oh my God!
So if you guys bought the whole set of the Gundam PC, you guys get these freebies, the mousepad, t-shirt, and tumbler. And I would have to say that I really like our t-shirt. Gundam head. We have our Gundam head right here, our ASUSxGUNDAM Earth Federation Space War, and of course the Gundam that started it all, the RX 782, piloted by Ray. So if you guys didn't know, the RX 782 is the first Gundam that is piloted by Ray for the first anime Gundam series. And here we have our t-shirt. It's quite large for my size, but I won't have to complain because I really like it. We got the size. We got the large size. I am a medium guy, so yep, that is really large. They look great.
12 seconds later.
Yep, they look large to me, but it looks great, so I won't have to complain. So let's go ahead and unbox the rest of our product. Here we have our ROG stainless steel tumbler Gundam LTD. It's a double wall vacuum, non-BPA, BPA-free, 600 ml, 20 ounce with straw, excellent thermal insulation effect. Yes! Ooh, they even included the straw.
Wait a minute!
With straw. Hey, that's really nice. Again, this is our Gundam stainless steel tumbler from the Asus and ROG Gundam collaboration. Oh. So that looks great, guys. We have the EFSF Earth Federation Space Force right here, our RX 782 Gundam, and our Gundam head. So that's about it for our tumbler. They look great. They look really great. White all over. And of course, the last part is our Gundam Mousepad. So it optimized for smooth mouse gliding, non-slipper rubber base, and durable anti-fray switching. So I have been using the ROG Cerberus and ROG Scobbard for quite some time now. And I will have to say that I am not impressed with the ROG Cerberus, but I like the material of the ROG Scobbard. So let's go ahead and take our mousepad out. Yes! Oh, don't worry, guys. That's nothing important except for our box.
Okay.
And the mousepad. They look absolutely great. So am I impressed? Yes, definitely I am impressed. So for a size comparison, this is your normal. This is the ROG Cerberus, and this is the Gundam Sheathe. So that's about it for this video, guys. This is the last unboxing part of the Gundam unboxing series. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like more videos like this, you can like and subscribe on my FB page and YouTube channel. If you guys want to leave a comment, you can comment down below and I'll try to leave you guys a reply. And see you guys in my next video.